Hello and welcome to our TEKTIP video session. Today we will speak about our permanent link adapter chips. These are the same on our LanTEK IV and LanTEK III series. We know that this cable ring here is good. Despite that fact, it will fail the test that we're currently conducting because the tips of our permanent link adapters have worn off the gold plating. That will cause the failure. Luckily, these tips are easy to change using a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to show you how to do that. With both tips changed, we can now retest our cable to confirm that the wire map is now fixed. As you can see, we have now a passing result. I hope you have learned something new and you enjoyed our tech tip.